new day has dawned. Out of the vibrant, multicultural city of Johannesburg has emerged a new university. Forged from leading higher education institutions, maintaining a proud heritage of academic excellence, a university prepared to boldly embrace change, empowering its students to contribute knowledge and skills to the city and our beautiful country. Welcome to the University of Johannesburg. Welkom by the Universiteit van Johannesburg. Siyakwamukela ku-University yaseGoli. Riyawamukela ku-University yaseGauteng.
Die Universiteit van Johannesburg het sy ontstaan in die samesmelting van die voormalige Technikon Witwatersrand en die Randse Afrikaanse Universiteit wat vroeër die Soweto en Oosrand kampusse van Vista geïnkorporeer het.
Students at the University of Johannesburg can study towards degrees or diplomas in 9 different faculties. The Faculty of Engineering in the Built Environment offers degrees in civil, electronic, electrical and mechanical engineering, but also has highly regarded career-focused programs ranging from traditional engineering fields to building, construction, and real estate. This faculty is also home to metallurgy and mining engineering.
Die fakulteit Natuurwetenskappe bied BSc-grade aan in wiskundige wetenskappe, inligtingstegnologie, as ook natuurlike en omgewingswetenskappe. Loopbaangefokuste programme sluit voedseltegnologie, biotechnologie en analitiese chemie in. Die fakulteit doen internasionaal mededingende navorsing wat ook Afrika relevant is en gebruik ook hulpkundigheid vir gemeenskapsontwikkelingsprojekte.
The Faculty of Health Sciences is a leader in the country in fields such as nursing, emergency medical care, optometry, homeopathy, radiography, and biomedical technology. Students and lecturers of these faculties run established clinics on most of the campuses where members of the community can come for diverse treatments such as eye care and even beauty treatments. The Faculty of Humanities mainly focuses on graduate courses in a wide variety of fields from communications to psychology, international studies to Islamic studies, development studies to sociology, Greek to Zulu. It is one of the largest faculties at the University of Johannesburg and operational on all 5 campuses.
Behalwe vir die gesogte LLB-kursus kan studente by die fakulteit regte ook inskryf vir 'n BA-regte of 'n BCom-regte graad. Die graadkursusse in die regte word op die Kingsway kampus aangebied, maar 'n grondslagprogram in die regte word ook op die Soweto kampus aangebied.
1/3 of the University of Johannesburg students are enrolled for finance or business-related qualifications. These students represent the Faculty of Economic and Financial Sciences and the Faculty of Management. The Faculty of Management prepares students for careers in fields such as informatics, human resources, marketing and sports management. This faculty also has a strong focus on diploma courses in critical business skills.
Die fakulteit Ekonomiese en Finansiële Wetenskappe bied 'n verskeidenheid BCom-grade aan en lewer standhoudend van die toppresteerders in die land in die finansiële en ekonomiese rigtings. Die diploma en sertifikaatkursusse in rigtings soos belasting en rekeningkunde is ook baie gewild in die sektor.
The Faculty of Education is the single faculty with the largest postgraduate headcount at the university and provides B.Ed degrees for senior phase and FET educators. This faculty is also actively involved in improving learning skills of our own students. The Faculty of Arts, Design and Architecture is certainly one of the most colorful faculties at the University of Johannesburg, offering very focused courses in architectural technology and interior design, fashion and jewelry design, fine art, graphic design and multimedia, FADA has made its mark on the South African creative landscape. Our excellent academic programs are presented on 5 campuses, spread across the city to ensure good access for all our students. The Soweto campus is a modern facility built on 18 hectares of land along Old Potch Road. The campus, with its distinctive red-roofed buildings, lies at the foot of the Enoch Sontonga Kopi, where legend has it that the famous composer found the inspiration for Nkosi Sikelel' Africa. This campus supports about 2,000 students. 5 of the university's 9 faculties are currently represented on the Soweto campus. The East Rand campus services students on the eastern side of the city and boasts a state-of-the-art computer center and modern library facility. The campus is currently home to about 800 students studying towards qualifications in the faculties of Management, Financial and Economic Sciences, and Humanities. The Doornfontein campus is the second largest campus of the University of Johannesburg and has nearly 9,000 students. The sprawling buildings of the Doornfontein campus are framed by luscious trees and gardens and offer a tranquil environment for students in the faculties of Science, Engineering and Health Sciences. This campus also has 5 residences. The Bunting Road campus in Auckland Park accommodates more than 7,000 students in the faculties of Arts, Design and Architecture, Health Sciences, Humanities, Management, as well as Economic and Financial Sciences. This campus is also home to the state-of-the-art School of Tourism and Hospitality.
Die hoofkampus van die Universiteit van Johannesburg is die Auckland Park Kingsway kampus. Nagenoeg 27,000 studente beweeg deur die moderne lesinglokale en kenmerkende ringgange van die gebou elke jaar. 8 van die 9 fakulteite is hier verteenwoordig. Die kampus het 'n lewendige studentesentrum wat voldoen aan al die behoeftes van die studente, verbonde aan die 14 koshuise en daghuise op die kampus. Die universiteit beskik ook oor uitstekende sportgeriewe en die sportbureau fokus nie net op elite en kompeterende sportsoorte nie, maar maak ook seker dat daar 'n verskeidenheid sosiale sportgeleenthede is waaraan enige student kan deelneem.
Students at the University of Johannesburg also have a host of cultural activities open to them. The terrific new art center on the Kingsway campus with its beautiful gallery, modern theatre and spacious dance and rehearsal rooms is the perfect stage for productions of the University of Johannesburg Arts Academy. The other campuses also boast award-winning choirs, drama and dance groups. The University of Johannesburg has a holistic approach to its students and sets out to meet all their needs to grow successful individuals. Our Student Services Bureau provides guidance to prospective and enrolled students, while experts are on hand to support students experiencing difficulty with learning. The University of Johannesburg also has huge computer laboratories with full internet access on all its campuses, while the modern libraries provide the backbone in learning material support.
Everyone comes to the University of Johannesburg because this is a university that embraces. It embraces your language, your culture, your background. It sees diversity as a strength that must be built, developed, grown. It sees diversity as important for each one of us to grow intellectually, spiritually, morally, socially, culturally.